Most mixers don't record true multi-channel audio. That is, they don't send each input out via USB to software so you can record the tracks individually. But I'm going to show you a way to use any mixer to record two separate tracks. We have two microphones, one going into channel 1 and another mic going into channel 2. These can be any channels that you want. And at this point, I'm going to assume you've done proper gain staging. So both mics are set up where you need them to be. And we're getting audio through the microphones and getting about 0 on our meter there. From there, it's very simple. We're going to hard pan channel 1 all the way to the left, and then hard pan channel 2 all the way to the right. All right, now you can see on the meters that our channel 1 is on the left and channel 2 is on the right only. But of course, the signal coming out of the mixer is a stereo mix channel. So you'll get one track with the audio on the left and the audio on the right. And when you record your audio into a computer or a recorder, this is what it looks like. You can see that channel 1 is on the left side of this stereo track, and then we have mic number 2 on the right side. And in post-production, we're using Adobe Audition here, but you can also use Audacity, which is free and available on Windows and Mac. In Audition, I'm going to double click on the file. Again, you see channel 1 on the left here and channel 2 on the right. I'm going to go up to Edit, simply hit Extract Channels to Mono Files. We got left and right. And just to show you, I'm going to get rid of that. I'm going to add a track, a mono track. And here is our left channel 1, and here is our right channel 2. So you can see here's channel 1. Here's microphone 2. They're each on their own track. So that's it. Separated tracks coming out of a standard analog mixer that only sends a stereo track to software or outputting to a recorder. If you have any questions about the setup, leave them in the comments. I will answer them as soon as possible, which is usually pretty quick. Subscribe. See you next time.